Hi there and welcome to this first class of Yin Yoga for better sleep. I'm Beatrice, and for this one all you'll need is a bolster. If you don't have a bolster, no worries, you can have a couple of big pillows, and when you're ready, jump on the mat or on your bed. So we'll start this class in constructive rest, or better, a shavasana that is supported at the knees. So bring your bolster across your mat or this way around on your bed. And if you don't have a bolster, place those couple of pillows under your knees, or you can even roll up a blanket. And then roll all the way down to your back. Make sure you come down to a comfortable position for your head. Take your hands on the belly or out to the sides to open out the shoulders. Palms up. You can close off the eyes if that doesn't make you feel uncomfortable. Begin to notice how your body feels this evening after the day. And taking some time to scan the body from the top of the head down to the soles of our feet. To notice if there's any place in the body that needs adjusting, that needs a bit of attention. And setting the intention for these classes of letting go of stresses and worries of the day and tensions of the day. Let your body really sink into the surface beneath. When you're ready, take that bolster around to the left side of your body or your two big pillows. Take the right knee into the chest and slide the left leg down to the ground. And before we come to our next posture, holding this right knee with the hands circling into the hip and taking the knees a little closer, the knee a little closer to your chest to ease into the lower back, and then circling again. And then circling perhaps the other way if that feels good. And once you're ready, take this knee across and find your bolster or your pillow. And open out the right arm, trying to keep the right shoulder on the ground. And you can either look up or look over your right shoulder, depending on how your neck feels. Begin to slowly take that knee back through center. And you can take the foot flat to the ground. And readjust your hips, then take both knees into the chest to notice what's going on now in the low back. Now we've worked onto this right side. Maybe take a bit of rocking of the knees forwards and backwards. And take your feet back flat to the ground and just move the bolster to the other side. To take the same posture the other way. And just like we did on the previous side, slide the right leg down, take the left knee to the chest first, easing into that lower back on the left side. Holding in and then rolling into the hip, just opening to the left. Circling around and then squeezing back into the chest, opening into that low back. And then circling the other way if that feels good for you. And on your next exhale, take it out to the right. Find your bolster and open the left arm out this time, keeping that left shoulder on the ground and either looking up or looking over that left shoulder. And begin to ease off this side as well. Taking the knee back to center, then both knees into the chest to notice both sides together now. Maybe they've evened out, maybe they haven't. Just notice how you feel. Then come into our last posture of the practice, just a simple open heart position. Taking our bolster up across the back. Take your time to really place it in a comfortable space. And also if you have the pillows, same thing, you can bring them up maybe a little higher if they are round. Just adjust for your comfort, and you can even take a pillow under your head and lower down to your back. Make sure your neck is comfortable, and you can either keep your knees together and your feet wide, or maybe bring your soles of the feet together and let your knees come out to the side and open out the hands, the arms, or palms up. Now return to sensations in your body or onto the breath. Really let the body melt onto the bolster or the pillows. And I'd like you to find 3 things you're grateful for today. And really feel that gratitude for each of these things. And you can stay here with your shoulders opening and your chest opening and your hips for as long as you need to. And when you're ready, you can roll onto one side and drift off to sleep. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and please leave me a comment as well to let me know how you're feeling. Thank you so much for practicing with me this evening. I'll see you soon.